Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. In this particular video, we will talk about a vaccine play which is for ticker symbol NVAX for Novavax. And if you look at the chart, last Friday it was up by 11% and after hour it was up by another 0.3%. And if you are following the news, you know already that the Omicron, the new variant, came everywhere, is spreading all over the world. Even on US, this thing is coming very fast. So the vaccine play, we know how they have a good rally, right? If you look at chart, right? So in last May, NVAX was around 20. It went all the way to 180, came down to 100. At one point, it went around 318, 320. It came down, but again, you see, it has been going up. And why there is a big news waiting, I will cover the news soon. But anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. You can join my Patreon community and you can get access to my Discord where you get daily alert for day trading, swing trading, even for option alert. So give it a try. Hopefully we can all make some money together. So the big news I was saying. The big news is that Novavax COVID-19 vaccine could get EU, European Union approval next week. That's the news, right? And it came, I think, last Friday, and there was a nice rally. But still, if the real approval is coming, then it might run even higher, considering the Omicron variant is spreading really, really fast. So I will just quickly go over this particular article. So Novavax COVID-19 vaccine could receive approval from Europe's drug regulator next week and subsequently an emergency use listing from the WHO World Health Organization. The Financial Times reported on Thursday, sending shares of the US drug maker up 7%. So that was not a recent news, because that was like it said could, right? It might come, but if it comes, that would be the real news that they got the approval. So that is the big thing. If you look at NASDAQ, currently they have a strong buy rating. You see the big names here with the average price target of $249 with a high of 305 and a low of 172. If you look at the current price, it is sitting at $210. So you can see it is even below the average of $249. Keep that in mind. These price target always are for 12 months. This is not for tomorrow, but we know how NVAX can move. So I will go back to the chart. I will talk about the price pattern and many different things. But before that, have a look on last Friday. The average volume is 5.5 million and last Friday's volume was 11 million. So it get double the volumes because of the news. This thing is running hot. Also, if you look at the daily volume, not a big up and down, but not bad. Last Friday's volume was like 10 million. At one point, it got something like 30 million. So in case you see more volume, there will be more buying pressure. This thing will go even higher. Also, you can play with option. I will come back. But before that, let's have a look on the chart first of all. So you can see when it moves, it can really move a lot from $130 to $340. This is the daily chart. So within few days, it made a nice run up. Came down. Some of us over our Discord talked about NVAX. I think he got around 130, 140 area and nice gain so far, right? And still, I think this is not too late. So I'm going to turn on the layers here just to show you what is happening. So one important thing is it has a nice support at 85. So that was the old story. After that, the new support is around 120 and 140. You see, whenever it came to 120, it got bounced. Again, it came to 140, it bounced. So a nice floor is around 140. But now I see the price is at $217. Other than 140, what is the next support? I would say around 180 area. You see, it moved for so long within this area, maintaining the support of $180. So in case it comes down, maybe 180 you can get in, but I see this thing can run this coming week, considering the Omicron is spreading. At the same time, you also have to have follow SPY and QQQ, because if the overall market is not doing good, sometimes it impacts your preferred stock. Also, you see there is some kind of resistance around $211-12. So that is one important area. It has to break. Once it breaks, then I think it will run towards 245 to 80 something. One other thing, I just want to draw a line. If I draw the top here on a long-term daily basis, you can see it has been making lower high. Yeah, it's not touching all the candles, but just at this part it is touching. So maybe it will go back to 220 and come back. If we see any kind of news not approved in EU or any kind of delay, this thing might come down. But anyway, it should be on your radar because this thing is moving nicely. Same thing, if I just connect this line, you can see the two blue line here, right? Nicely they are forming, and hopefully this thing will break and this thing will go higher. Don't forget, last time it went all the way to 320, and look at Pfizer, they are just running, right? And many people are saying that NVAX, their vaccine is different because it will be more effective for Omicron virus. So this is the overall area, and this is the chart. So again, up to you. If you think this is too expensive, you can always buy fractional share depending on your broker. So if the stock moves 10%, and let's say you bought just $100 of share, doesn't matter if the stock moves $10 10%, your $100 will also move 10%. So you can always buy fractional share. Also, I love to play option, especially for day trading. So let's say you are very bullish on NVAX and you want to play an option with expiry date of 23rd of December, right? So you will have 6 days to expire. So you see here the options here, the strike price. So looking at the chart, let's say this thing will run and it will go towards 240 to 50 area based on the chart. So if you think that at the money the options are too expensive, because 20.5 means one call option will worth $2,000. In that case, if you do not want to invest a lot of money, maybe you can choose a strike price of 240 or 250. Still it will be expensive. One call option will be $900. So the idea is you just get in. If the stock moves, you make money and get out. Do not hold for long because you see the implied volatility is 140%. So even though you bought something for 250 or 245, if the stock price moves sideways or it comes down, you will lose all your money because the implied volatility is very, very high. At the same time, if you're an option guy, definitely you know about the time decay because your expiration is 6 days. So each day is very, very important. I'm just gonna quickly show you what is the time decay or theta here. So just let me load this page. It's taking some time. So if you spend $900, you have 6 days. So basically you will see your theta is like 1.54. So in each day the option will lose $150 value regardless of where the option is moving. So anyway, so options are really a high risk, high reward type of thing. If you play it correctly, you can make a lot of money, or there is expiry date. If these things are not moving, then you can lose a lot of money. So anyway, up to you. If you do not want to play with call option, you can always go back, if buy some fractional share, you can make some money. And finally, I'm gonna show you an hourly chart, and just on an hourly chart you can see this thing is moving really nice, right? Really nice, higher high, higher high, higher high. So hopefully it will go around 2045 to 150 something, right? Things are looking really nice. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on this thing because I think Monday and coming this week this thing will run. Look at the volume here. End of the day, lots of volume came. So very, very bullish. We will see Monday morning. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Discord community. You are welcome to join. Become a Patreon, get access to our Discord so that you will get access to our charts, support, resistance, and alert. Also, if you do not have a Discord, it is also okay. You can join my YouTube community. Just click on the join button and you can become a member of my YouTube community. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.